Hey guys, here are the steps to making a really simple coconut milk and plain gelatin peel. So I've taken about 2 tablespoons of coconut milk and warmed them just to be just warm enough to melt the gelatin. So it doesn't take much because there's not a whole lot in there. And we just whisk it together to where the gelatin is just dissolved. And now I'm going to let this cool. And I'll just actually place it in the refrigerator for about 10 minutes or so until you'll see it starts to gel up, and then you can just take a large spoon and spread it on your face, nose, around the eyes, neck, and that coconut milk in there is going to just nourish and moisturize the skin, while the gelatin, as it gels, and forms that just kind of thin peel, you're going to be able to peel it off in strips, and it's going to remove blackheads and just to help tighten up the skin. So again, now just after you've dissolved your gelatin, just allow it to cool and start to gel, and then apply it to the skin and allow it to sit for about 25 minutes, and then just peel it off in strips. And then after you've peeled it off, just take and just rinse your face, and start with warm water and then rinse it again with cool water, and that should leave your face feeling really rejuvenated and cleansed.